Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right hand side, then you can either click on the settings cog again on the top right, or you can go to settings and privacy and then just select settings. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see how people can find and contact you. So click on that, and then near the top you should see who can see your friends list. So you want to click on that. And obviously if you want it to remain hidden from everyone, just select only me. We also have other settings where you can have it on public, friends, or certain friends if you want to do that as well. But it will let you know if you set this to only me, others may still see that you're friends with someone when viewing their friends list. Mutual friends are always visible. So if you're happy with all that, just select save, and that will hide your friends list. Thanks for watching.